Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly add text over videos in iMovie on your iPhone. Adding text over videos in iMovie on iPhone is one of the easiest ways to make your videos more engaging and professional. So whether you want to add titles, captions, names, subtitles, or stylish opening text, iMovie gives you simple built-in tools to do it in just a few taps. You can customize the text style, position, timing, and even duration to perfectly match your video. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the iMovie app on your iPhone, and then you have to open the video in question. After that, you have to tap on the exact spot where you want to add text. Then you have to hit the text button at the bottom. Then you have to swipe left or right to choose the desired title style. And then you have to hit the font button and pick from a wide range of text fonts. After that, you have to hit the color icon and choose the preferred color. Then you have to tap on the triple dot icon. After that, you can use text shadow, uppercase, sound effect, and even show the text in full clip duration. And if you want to show the title in the lower third, simply swipe up or down on the menu to reveal the style option and tap on it. After that, you have to choose the lower third option. And finally, you have to hit the X button at the top right to get out of the menu. And that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily add text over videos in iMovie on your iOS device. It's a great way to personalize your videos, highlight important moments, or create eye-catching content for social media. Once you get familiar with the textures, editing becomes much faster and more creative. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and do subscribe for more simple iPhone and iMovie tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one.